We, unaccustomed to courage, exiles from delight, live coiled in shells of loneliness until love leaves its high holy temple and comes into our sight to liberate us into life. Love arrives, and in its train come ecstasies, old memories of pleasure, ancient histories of pain. Yet, if we are bold, love strikes away the chains of our fears from our souls. We are weaned from our timidity. In the flush of love's light, we dare be brave. And suddenly, we see that love costs all we are and will ever be. Yet, it is only love which sets us free.
George, I give you this ring
as a sign of our marriage.
as a sign of our marriage.
With my body, I honour you.
With my body, I honour you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
And all that I have, I share with you.
So in the presence of God and before this congregation, George Keppel Stanley Gray and Laura Marie Lambert have given their consent and made their marriage vows to each other. They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of rings. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife, and you have permission to kiss them both.
Scar the oak tree.
My beautiful wife, Laura. I've never seen you look more stunning than you do today. You look absolutely breathtaking. When I look back at all the things I've done with you, Laura, I can't quite believe it's my own life I'm looking at. Laura, being with you is quite simply the most amazing thing that has ever happened to me. But I know there are a few other things I need to promise, such as I promise you are my #1 priority, that I will make Thai curries for you every week, and I will bring you coffee every morning, that I will try to remember that you're always right, and that I will remember my kilt to every wedding we go to. I promise that I will always be here for you and that I will always love you with all my heart.